Good morning. I have been a bit lax on the old vlogging front lately, mostly because I've not been feeling well. So I thought I'd pull out the camera today and do a little kind of day in the life vlog. And today is a really kind of housey day. We don't have any activities on today, so I thought it'd be quite a good day to film because you guys normally like to see that kind of thing. So I've started off, you might be able to see behind me, well, I've got a smoothie for a start because that is my breakfast this morning. I haven't really been feeling like eating too much, so I've started making smoothies, and then at least I'm getting some fruit into me. So I'm having that. It's good. And then I have also been, hang on, I'll just show you, doing some planning. So I've got my old bullet journal here with all my meal ideas. I've got this week's plan for this week. My diary, that's what I'm trying to say, in my bullet journal. I've got here what a little mini meal plan and my shopping list, and I'm just trying to work out what we're going to eat this week and making up a list. My plan is that we're going to go to Aldi this afternoon. I'm picking up Elle from nursery, and then I've got someone popping over briefly about 12, and then I think we'll go to Aldi, get our shopping, and then we need to be back for Caitlin finishing school. So that's the plan today, but I have about an hour till I have to pick up Elle, and I basically just spent the morning doing that kind of planning, which like feels like a bit of a waste of time, but it's not really, because I've been meaning to do that for a while and make a proper plan, because every time I go shopping I seem to just pick up like random things and I need to go back again and it's just not working. So I'm doing a proper planning session this morning. Where are we with laundry? Let's have a look in the utility room. This here is all clean washing, which has been pulled out the tumble dryer. There's like 2 loads worth there that needs folded. It would normally be in baskets, but we're missing a basket, so it's just on the floor at the moment. I need to fold all that. I've got a wet wash in the machine that needs to come out. So anything that needs hung up will go on the clothes aider, which is here. We call it a clothes horse. I think that's a Scottish thing. Do you call it clothes horse? You can tell me. So I need to hang up that, and then the rest I should really hang outside because it's a really nice day, but last time I did that it was like 2 days before I got it back inside. So I might just shove it in the tumble, which is really bad for the environment. Please forgive me, but it might be the easiest thing to do. And then I'm going to nip upstairs and get some more laundry to put on, because I've got about 2 loads worth that needs to go on. And I think if I do that I might be up to date, which is really rare for me. I'm hardly ever up to date with laundry, so that would be unusual. But if I can get up to date, that would be amazing. And then of course that'll need folded as well. So I need to go and put that on in a minute. And what did I say? I've got an hour till I pick up Elle. So if I do like a 45-minute wash, I should get that done before I pick her up. And what else do I need to do? Have a real tidy up throughout the house, but we'll see how much time I get for that. And I think that's it this morning. Yeah, let's have a look. I wrote in my planner what my plans were for today. So let's have a look. Nursery. I've got that lady popping over briefly. Aldi. I've already ticked a few things off my list. Meal plan and grocery list. I had to email the team at Channel Mum about a campaign I've got coming up, so I've done that. What else? I had to email Amazon because I ordered some gel polishes and they've come in and they're not the right colour. So I've emailed them to ask about returning them. And I would have kept them if I liked the colours, but I don't like the colours. And I had to email about, phone, sorry, about getting a gender scan, because I wasn't sure how many weeks I had to wait to get a gender scan. What else did I have to do? I think that's it for today. I'm hoping if I get to Aldi I can film an Aldi grocery haul and meal plan for you guys. And that's it for today. Tomorrow I have a day of filming, and I kind of want to do that just now, but I need to get this laundry done, so it's getting put off till tomorrow. And I am kind of filming because I'm filming this. So, right, first jobs first, let's get the wet stuff hung up. I think I might actually listen to a podcast while I do this, because it's kind of boring. I'm going to listen to, I like the Scummy Mummies one. What other ones do I like? I think I'm going to listen to one that I listen to quite often called The Lavender Lifestyle. and I started listening to this in the car the other day. It's about navigating career paths, passion projects and the job search. So I'll finish listening to that one, I think.
It can feel authentic when you genuinely, I mean, maybe it's not authentic to start with the first few questions I mentioned, but eventually, if you're really truly listening to the person's answers, you can start to ask them even more specific questions, and that feels authentic.
Right.
Afraid of failing, or they're afraid of not knowing what to do.
Time to, carve out for their passion on the side. It is possible, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, I just interviewed this woman to fix.
Just an ordinary day, I was making my way. Who would have known I spent my last day around the super mega winning ticket? I was feeling kind of wicked when I heard my boss move around. What you gonna do with all that cash? Gonna stay out in an all-nighter bash. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby.
Dive into that sort of thing. But the foundation of manifestation is basically, how you are late for the bus, or how you're early for something, or how you manifest money, or how your reality is and how you interact with people. So when you go back,
Tonight we're having oysters with the Kobe steak in the toaster. Waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here.
This is my new favourite fabric softener. It's from Aldi and it smells so amazing. Just thought I'd share it with you.
I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby.
So it's half an hour till I need to get Elle, and I've done most of what I wanted to do, I think. So I'm going to stop for a little break and reward myself with a cup of tea and maybe a little bit of Easter egg. Yeah, and in the afternoon I'll get the clothes put away, hopefully. And yeah, that's my plan. I now have 20 minutes till I need to go and get Elle, so I'm going to sit down with my cup of tea and a bit of chocolate, Easter egg, and watch maybe a couple of YouTube videos just to catch up, and then it'll be time to get Elle. Let's go. Right, time to go and get Elle. Oh, it's roasting here. What temperature is it? 20 degrees. Whew. Right, we'll go and get Elle. And oh no, I forgot to take my purse. I'm gonna get my purse because I'm gonna stop at the sandwich shop and get Elle her favourite sandwich for lunch today, because we haven't been to Aldi yet and I've got no food in the house. So I'm gonna run back and get my purse and then we'll go. How's your sandwich?
Good, but my napkin fell down.
Oh, your face is a bit muddy from the woods. Did you have fun at nursery in the woods?
Yeah.
What did you see in the woods?
Um,
Bears?
woodpeckers. We heard them.
You heard a woodpecker? Wow!
And we saw it.
You saw a woodpecker? Or you just heard it?
All of us saw it.
All of you sawed it. You saw a woodpecker, wow. And how did you get mud on your face?
It fell down.
No, you didn't. Did you? Oh no. Right, you eat up your sandwich then, so we'll go to the shops, okay?
Okay.
Good girl. We have Elle, and we have had our lunch. What did we have for lunch? Sandwiches from the sandwich shop. Yeah. And we're now heading to Tesco's. We're going to go to Aldi, but I've changed my mind. We're going to go to Tesco's because I'd rather go to a different town that doesn't have an Aldi that has a Tesco, I think. Just fancy a run there for a change. So we're going to get our shopping. Oh, I've left my shopping list in the house, Elle. Silly mummy, I'm gonna have to run back and get my shopping list. And then we'll go. I like your sunglasses! 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 We're home and I've just finished filming my grocery haul for this week. I've taken my hair down because my head was hurting, and I'm going to go and get all this put away and start dinner. Okay, as long as you walk home with Ava.
Okay, as long as you don't hold hands.
As long as tell her she has to walk home with Ava. You have to walk home with
You have
Ava,
to-
so you're saying.
Whenever Ava comes home, you have to come home, okay? Oh!
I'll try a bit harder. Higher, maybe.
Okay, ready up.
It needs to be like this. Yay!
Okay, ready, you do. I am absolutely done in. It is 20 to 8 and we've done dinner, we've cleaned up dinner. I had not all the fridge stuff would fit in the fridge after our shop, so I had to take everything out of the fridge, cleaned out the fridge, got rid of anything that didn't need to be in the fridge, like old things, then put everything back in the fridge. I've given Elle her bath. Elle didn't eat much of her dinner, so she needed something else to eat before bed. Caitlin didn't get home from the park with her friends till 7 o'clock, so her dinner needed reheated and put together for her. Andrew's out fixing the roof of the shed because it's been leaking. And Elle is now out keeping him company. She should be in bed, but to be honest, I'm just glad she's out my hair right now because she's not stopped talking all afternoon. My head is sore. I've given in and taken some paracetamol. But yeah, her and Andrew are outside. I'm hoping the fresh air tires her out a bit because she doesn't seem very tired at the moment. Caitlin's had her dinner and she's gone upstairs to hopefully put away some clothes because she has so many clean clothes that need put away in her bedroom. So I'm hoping she's going to tackle some of that and then we can get settled down, hopefully get the kids to sleep. And you know what, I won't be far behind them because I'm so tired. I can't wait to get to my bed. I might have a cup of tea before bed, or maybe even a Horlicks actually, because I'm really tired. But yeah, it hasn't been too exciting a day. It's been quite an average sort of day at home, so I hope you've enjoyed seeing that and seeing what we get up to. And let me know in the comments, is it similar to your kind of day? Is that how you spend your days if you're a stay-at-home mum, or if you are a part-time working mum and you're at home some days, is that how your days at home go? Let me know, I'd love to hear. Thank you so much for watching as always. Give this video a like if you like this kind of thing. Let me know if you want to see more day in the life type videos because I really enjoy filming them, but I never know if it's something you want to see. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe and stick around. It's free, it's really easy to do. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up a YouTube account and subscribe, and it means you don't miss out on any of my videos because they pop up on your YouTube feed. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.